Jamaica is changing how money moves, and digital banks like Wise, Quisk, and Lynk are quietly taking over. Here's the real reason why. Traditional banks charge you high fees just to send or receive money. But digital banks are built for speed, low fees, and convenience. They let you pay bills, transfer money, or get paid all from your phone. No line, no branch, and no teller attitude. Just click and go. This is where it gets serious. Apps like Wise let you hold and convert USD, EUR, GBP cheap with global rates. Meaning you can send money abroad, get paid online, or receive USD without losing thousands to bank FX rate. That's a digital loophole Jamaicans are using to protect their money from high conversion fees. Locally, Lynk and NCB Quisk are replacing small cash transactions. Buy food, top up, send money, even pay taxi or corner shop without touching cash. Once enough Jamaicans switch, banks won't control fees the way they used to. The future of money in Jamaica won't be physical, it'll be digital wallets and smart FX transfers. So the real question is, will you keep paying bank fees the old way or learn the new game? Follow for more alpha facts they never teach in school.